think we're recording now.
Okay, so it is the 20-something of December 2009.
Let's see this little girl.
We got Lauren in the backpack.
Is. Woo!
And we got 23 inches of snow over the last day or so.
Check it out.
Largest December accumulation on record.
There's my car.
And we've been a little stir crazy, and we're ready to get out. This dog is having a great time.
Here he is.
Nathan, I don't know where your ball is.
Here's his ball. Here's your ball.
Let's go see what he does with his ball. Let's see that ball, dog. Ready, dog?
Here he goes. Woo! There he goes.
All right, we're off on a walk.
All right, one more shot of Lauren. Here she is. Say hi, Lauren.